this is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the camera on your laptop so you can record videos or do whatever you want. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your keyboard. So on these laptops, a lot of them you'll have the option to toggle on your camera or not just on the F keys. So if you look at the F keys, there's going to be a visual like maybe a camera or a computer on one of those F keys, and you have to press down FN right here and then that button. So mine is F6 on my MSI laptop. So I have to press FN down and then F6, and this will toggle on the camera. So I can see the light is on right here on the FN key for the camera. So a lot of times you have to do that, otherwise it's not going to turn on. Then go down to Start right here. And then we want to go to Settings. Go down to where it says Privacy and Security. Scroll on down here and go to Camera. And just make sure the camera axis is turned on, and then turn on for the different apps that you're going to be using. So I got like OBS down here and stuff. So once you have camera axis turned on, your computer should be able to access your camera. Going down to Search and type in Camera. And then we can open up the camera application. So if it's turned on, you should be able to switch between your different cameras right here. So go to the top right. For some reason I have my S22 Flip on there. And then you can take some pictures or record anything you want. You have all these different options down here on the side. So you can record on your computer, and it seems like there's a face tracking ability on there. And then, then you can look at your clips down here. And I don't have anything on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.